Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make chicken barbecue. It's a Filipino style and we called it there inasal. These are all the ingredients. This is garlic, ginger root, soya sauce, oyster sauce, lemon juice, brown sugar, vinegar, and ground black pepper. I didn't use salt because there's already soya sauce and oyster sauce. I have this chicken legs here and the back is attached. This is I'm gonna use for barbecue chicken. And I have to cut this so that all the marinated juices will soak in. Set this aside for now. Start gathering all the ingredients to marinate the chicken. And this is half a cup of soya sauce, two tablespoons oyster sauce, and quarter cup of 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And this is 2 tablespoons of garlic, minced and chopped. And this is 2 tablespoons of ginger root. And 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And mix it all up. And I put those chicken in a Ziploc to marinate. You can marinate overnight or you can marinate in 4 to 6 hours. And pour the sauce. Want to make sure that all the chicken is coated with the sauce. And see you guys later. I have this chicken. It's been marinated for about 8 hours. And now I'm gonna put this in the oven. Have to bake this for 375 degrees for an hour. Every 10-15 minutes, I will brush this chicken from the marinade that I did. Put it back in the oven. Here's my barbecue chicken in the oven. It's looking very delicious. And I'm gonna eat pretty soon for supper. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and comments. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Let's eat. We have baked potato, mixed vegetables, and let's try the chicken. It is very tasty and very tender. Okay, I'm gonna finish my supper. Thank you again for watching my video. Bye-bye.